Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about the ESA BIC Bavaria and talk about the rewarding partnership that we share with 3D Experience. So, the ESA BIC Bavaria, which stands for the European Space Agency Business Incubation Center, is managed by AZO. This one is located in Bavaria. So, with the ESA BIC Bavaria, we provide funding and support to early stage startups with a space connection. In doing this, we provide a comprehensive support package, including financing, mentoring, and R&D support right up to market entry. The ESA BIC Bavaria is a part of a wider network of ESA BICs across Europe, and we are present in over 80 locations in 19 different countries across Europe, including France, Germany, UK, etc. All right. So within Bavaria, ESA BIC is a part. We have 5 locations, and each location is in conjunction with the corresponding location partner. I myself, am based out of Oberpfaffenhofen, where we have DLR as a location partner. And other location partners include Airbus from Ottobrunn, University of Armed Forces or Bundeswehr University from Neubiberg. Then we have Fraunhofer Institute of Integrated Circuits in Nuremberg, and TGZ and IGZ in Würzburg. So in terms of our offerings, we provide 50,000 euros of equity-free financing for our startups. Then we have a wide-ranging network from academia as well as the industry for not only space but also other sectors. And this, in my opinion, is the key reason why startups apply to ESA BIC Bavaria. Apart from this, we provide office spaces and technical support to startups up to 80 hours and much more. All right, so the ESA BIC Bavaria has been active since 2009, and up until now, we have supported more than 233 startups who have collected more than 1.8 billion with a B euros, 1.8 billion euros in investments to date. So here are our selection of certain portfolio companies. You may recognize some of the names or logos, such as Lilium, ESA Aerospace, etc. So that's enough about us. Let's talk more about 3D Experience and the awesome work that you guys are doing. Since 2021, some of you may know we have a partnership with Dassault Systèmes, whereby we provide our startups who can receive access to roles within the 3D Experience platform. And on a need by need, like on a need basis, these roles can give them access to requisite software tools. Among our startups, the most popular ones are Katia and SolidWorks for CAD, but not only that, startups are also leveraging the computational fluid dynamics aspect, thermal engineering aspect, also the project management aspect, and the fact that you can work collaboratively with your teammates and exchange files over the cloud. So this is extremely helpful to our startup teams. So they're extremely grateful, first of all, for this. And what's very attractive for the startups is the technical support that they can get from the 3D Experience team. So we are directly in touch with Elise and Fabien, especially Elise with the technical support. We are very happy with this. And yeah, you can see she is all over the page out here. So she is very heavily single-handedly um, handling the response or the requests from the startups. So yeah, a lot of credit goes to her. A big thank you. And not to forget, we have the Fab Lab, which also some of our startups are leveraging. So the Fab Lab in Munich, basically. All right. So as an example of our success story, I'd like to present you the case of the exploration company. Of course, a credit where credit is due. So the employees of the exploration company are solely responsible for their success, but I would like to think that we have, in some small way, enabled them to do so. So the exploration company is a German-French company incubated in the ESA BIC Bavaria since 2021, and we have close ties. I mean, as a matter of fact, while I'm speaking, they are in their office right next to me as well. So what they do is they have a mission to make space exploration affordable, sustainable, and open. And to realize this, they're developing a modular and reusable orbital vehicle that can eventually be refueled in orbit. It's a very ambitious goal, and they're also doing a great job at it with extremely talented team and very hardworking as well. Last month, the exploration company received an investment round of 40 million euros, which makes it the biggest space tech investment round or of Series A raised in Europe. All right, so that wraps up a little bit about what we do, how our partnership looks like with the 3D Experience Lab, how that leads to great things. And I'd like to wrap up my presentation by leaving here my contact details. So in case you have any questions, always let me know. And in case if you're a startup, you want to apply to ESA BIC Bavaria, also I would be happy to talk to you. Thank you.